4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Flat right into left 4, medium 30. Caution, right 2 into left 3 long, bumpy. Ow! Into left 3 bumpy and left 3 don't cut. Right 2 small cut and left 2 medium narrows. Right 4 opens into right 3 tightens. Into caution, left 2 opens over tarmac, 50. Brake into hairpin right over gravel. And left 4 into caution, left 3. Left 2 tightens, 80. Right 4 long into right 5, 100. Caution, left 3 tightens, keep in. And right 5. And left 4 short into right 4, don't cut. Into left 3, small cut. Into right 5, into left 6, very long. Brake into right 5, tightens, keep right. And caution, big jump, keep right. Caution, right 4, narrows over crest. And right 4, small cut into finish.